Posting and sharing. Hello there, friends. Let's take a look at how you can use Instagram to post and share your awesome marketing content. Posting and sharing stuff on Instagram is fairly easy, and there are several ways to do it. And in this video, we are going to walk you through them all. You have to start on your Instagram feed, from where you will be able to access all your account's posting and sharing options. Let's start with the easiest way to post and share from your account by tapping on the plus icon located in the middle of the lower screen. From here, you will be able to post from three sources. By default, you will be able to post from your gallery, which is the media gallery on your device. By tapping on the Photo tab, you will be able to snap a photo that you can post and share. And by tapping on the Video tab, you will be able to shoot a short-form video that you can post and share to your Instagram following and to other channels. Let's now show you how you can create a post and share it with each option. Let's start with the gallery option. In this option, you will be able to select an image or video from your device's media gallery. Images and videos taken from your gallery need to comply with the following requirements. First, images have to ideally be 1080 by 1080 in resolution. Otherwise, you won't be able to promote the post that you upload the photo to. Videos have to be 15 seconds long at most. Otherwise, they will simply not load. Okay, in our case, we're going to select this high-resolution image for our post. As you can see here, there are some options that can give an extra oomph to your posts. One is the Boomerang Companion app that will allow you to share many videos, and the other is the Layout app, which will allow you to fit multiple photos into one post. In order to use them, you'll simply need to download and install them from the app marketplace corresponding to your device. Alright. So once you have selected your image or video, simply tap on the next button on the top right corner. In the following section, you will be asked to select a filter for your image. It will be normal by default, but there are many filters to select from. Once you have made your selection, you can tap on the edit link below to add some extra attributes on your image. These attributes include orientation, brightness, contrast, structure, color warmth, saturation, color, fading, and highlights. Once you have edited your image's attributes, tap on the next button above to continue. Now in the next screen, you'll have to edit the content of your post. Start in the Write a Caption field by entering your post text with its corresponding hashtags. You can geotag your post by adding a location by tapping on Add a Location. You can also tag other users and accounts by tapping on Tag People. One awesome feature is that you'll be able to share your new post to other social channels, depending on the type of post that you have created, by turning on or off the level corresponding to each available social channel under Share To. Once you're ready to share your post, simply tap on the Share button located on the top right corner. Awesome! Our new post is now live. Okay, so let's now create a new post by going to the plus icon on the lower menu to show you how to create a photo post. Start by tapping on the Photo tab. There, you will simply have to tap on the small circle button in the middle to snap a photo for your post. You can use the icon on the right to use Snap Your Photo with Flash, and the button on the left to shift between the rear and front cameras. Tap on the circle button to take your pick, and in the next screen, you will be asked to select a filter. Once you select a nice filter, tap on the edit link below to edit your image's attributes. Once you've edited your image's attributes, tap on the next button above to continue. Now edit the content of your post. Start in the Write a Caption field by entering your post text with its corresponding hashtags. Geotag your post by tapping on Add a Location, and tag other users or accounts by tapping on Tag People. Share to other channels if you wish to, and then tap on Share. Great! Now it is time to check the video posting option by tapping on the plus icon on the lower screen and then on the Video tab. To share a video from here, simply tap and hold the circle button in the middle until you are okay with the length or until it reaches the recording limit. Once it is recorded, simply tap on Next. Select the filter and then tap on the Cover tab to select a thumbnail image from the video and tap on Next. Now proceed as instructed beforehand by entering your caption and location. Video posts can be shared on several social channels, including Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. Once you set up everything here, tap on Share. As you can see, your new video post is live and ready for the world to see. Okay, so are there other ways to create awesome Instagram posts, or is this all there is to Instagram posting and sharing? Well, we're glad you asked, because Instagram has another feature up its sleeve called Stories. which are nothing short of posts that can be customized to an amazing level. So follow us in our next video so we can show you what these stories are and how to create your own. Stories. Awesome. Let's continue with our video training. This video was a logical continuation of the previous lesson, where we showed you how to post and share on Instagram with your brand new business account. Because this time around, we're going to show you how to create a more customizable type of Instagram post. Yes, we're talking about none other than Instagram Stories. Instagram Stories is a fascinating feature that allows you to share several moments through a single media reel. In other words, it is a feature that allows you to add several separate photos and videos that can be played in a specific succession. These stories are then added to people's feeds, in the stories bar on top of any feed, as you can clearly see here. Okay, so how do you create an Instagram story? Well, we're glad to tell you that doing so is quite easy, and here's our walkthrough. Start by tapping on the You profile icon in your feed's stories menu. You will be taken to your Instagram editor. There are several options available in here, but the easiest way to add stuff to your stories from here is by tapping on the square button located on the lower left corner of this screen. In this section, you will be able to individually select your most recent files, so you can add them to your stories, including images and videos. In our case, we are going to select one of the most recent pictures taken from our account. Once you select a photo or video, you will be able to edit it by using the buttons available on the top right corner. With these buttons, you can add nice effects such as emojis, among other effects, and text. Once you are done editing your image or video, simply tap on, well, done. Now you can check your story by tapping on your profile icon in the stories bar. And here it is. This is how others will see your story on their feeds. But one thing that you will notice is that this story doesn't look dynamic because it has only one image. So let's add another image to our story to see how it looks in action. This time around, we are going to take a photo with a circle button by simply tapping on it. Once our photo is taken, we are going to add some elements to it to make it funnier, which will in turn increase our engagement. Once we edit it, we have to simply tap on the Add to Your Story button on the lower left. We'll be taken back to our feed, from where we are going to be able to check our newest addition to our story by tapping on our profile icon in the Stories feed. Voila! Here's our story in action. It looks great, and that is exactly how it will look to our followers and to users visiting our profile. And as you can see, it perfectly fits our day's narrative, which is exactly its intended use. Okay, so far so good. But how do you market these awesome posts then? Because as amazing as Instagram's organic reach is, there should be always room for a little paid push for your marketing campaigns. So tune in to the following video so we can show you what Instagram advertising is all about. Instagram advertising. Hey there everyone, ready for more awesome Instagram marketing material? Well, we surely hope that you're ready, because we're about to educate you on one of Instagram's most fascinating features. Yes, just like we promised you in our previous video, we are going to talk about advertising on Instagram, which is nothing but the act of promoting your business by way of Instagram's own paid advertising program. But you already know that paid advertising platforms abound. So let's talk about what makes advertising on Instagram so special. And let's start by saying that advertising on Instagram is all about building your business on the platform. Driving awareness, growing your customer base, and sharing your story with one of the largest audiences on any current social network is a seamless experience, because Instagram adverts appear in a bold, linear format that perfectly matches the visual nature of the platform, making them look natural. Instagram adverts are very diverse. Photo adverts, for instance, allow you to tell your story through a simple and beautiful digital canvas that adapts to users' device screen orientations. Video adverts give ads an additional edge by adding sight, sound, and motion to the already immersive quality of photo adverts. Carousel adverts are designed to add an additional layer to the Instagram advert experience, because they will allow you to insert several images or videos into a single advert so users can swipe across them. Lastly, story adverts will allow you to complement the content of any feed with awesome promoted stories, which are very engaging to begin with. Instagram adverts are designed to help you meet your business goals, no matter if you are trying to increase brand awareness or increase the number of people in your established customer base. Because by advertising on Instagram, you will be able to get the results that are most important to your business. In fact, business goals that you can achieve by advertising on the Instagram platform are wide and specific, and they cover the 3 main stages of the customer decision journey. Awareness. You can drive awareness of your brand, business location, or services by way of the following goals: reach, frequency, brand awareness, and local awareness. Consideration. Make your potential customers aware of your specific offers is easier through these goals: website clicks, video views, and reach and frequency. Conversion. Lastly, you will be able to increase your sales, app downloads, and frequent shopping visitors by converting leads into actual customers through the following goals: website conversions, dynamic adverts, mobile app installs, and engagement. Awesome! But how can you actually get started? Well, getting started with Instagram advertising is fairly quick and easy, as Instagram uses the same powerful advertising tools as Facebook. If you are familiar with Facebook advertising, you're already more than halfway through Instagram advertising then. But if you're new to advertising on both platforms, it goes like this. You start by having an Instagram business profile and a Facebook page for your business, which you already have, as we walked you through the process during the first 2 videos in this section. You'll then have to go to either the Adverts Manager or the Power Editor on Facebook to create and run your adverts, which we will show you how to do in the next video. You will then have to determine your advertising budget, which in turn also determines for how long will your adverts run, and how many people you will be able to reach with them as well. Lastly, you will simply have to publish your adverts once they are ready. And that's it. Okay, so how do you actually publish adverts on the Instagram platform? To publish adverts, you have to buy them by setting up a budget like we showed you previously. And there are 4 ways to acquire them. You can simply promote your Instagram posts from the Instagram app. Any post can be promoted as long as it complies with Instagram's rules. By going to the Adverts Manager in Facebook, where you will be able to use the same powerful advert editing tools that you would use to create Facebook adverts. By going to the Power Editor on Facebook, which is an interface that will allow you to set up several ad campaigns at the same time and have more control over them. This is an option mostly used by advanced marketers with very large budgets and by marketing agencies. By hiring an Instagram partner to take care of your ads for you. This is an option mostly used by people short on time, or by people that would rather delegate this job to others. Creating adverts on Instagram goes beyond helping you to reach your business goals, as it will also help you to reach the people that matter the most to you. This is done through powerful audience targeting options that can help you reach people based on specific locations, such as countries, cities, and regions. To narrow down your audience based on demographic information such as age, gender, and language. To reach people based on interests such as the apps they use, the accounts they follow, and the adverts they usually click on. These targeting options will also help you to define an audience by its behavior. You can also customize your own audience by directly targeting them based on a database of emails or phone numbers. You can also set up lookalike audiences to find audiences that are potentially similar to yours. And you can also set up automated targeting that will allow Instagram to target an audience based on your business profile. So tune in to the following video so we can teach you how to set up the different types of adverts offered by Instagram the easy way.